Hello, my friends. Today I talk about how to download and install Schneider HMI software EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert version 4.1. Version 4.1 is very new version software. It's released just yesterday. You can download from the Schneider website. You go to Google, you type EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. You can find in the Schneider electrical website is EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. Okay, go to here, then go to Utility Firmware, then go to here. Look, here's EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. Is just yesterday it's released the version 4.1. But if you want to download Schneider software, you have to register. Okay, this software just trial edition. You can use 42 days. After that, you can buy license. Okay, let's start install this software. I download already. Okay, click. Next. Next. Okay, just install English. Okay. Okay, now we start new one. Then we go to system, target. Here we can choose what kind of HMI. Okay, that's it. Then go to driver. We can choose which driver we can use. Okay, now we click driver. Here we can find everything we need. Siemens driver, Schneider driver, we can use Modbus. Okay, rock wheel driver with isolator. Okay, that's it. All this similar. We can choose Siemens driver with isolator. Okay, we can use isolator. Okay, it's appear twice. It's 127. Then we can screen. Here is the screen. You can design everything. Okay. Thank you very much.